What is going on, everybody? Today we are going to unbox the new Ferrum Forge Zelex, or Zelex, however that's pronounced. I'm sure somebody will correct me down below in the comments, but that's alright. So let's go ahead and take a look at this cute little guy here. Alright, here we go. We've got the packaging. I got the blue G10 version. Caution sharp, alright, very cool. Comes in a nifty little pouch. Oh yeah, that's a little guy, that's for sure. Some very cool texturing on the G10. Got their little logo there. Super tiny little fastener there. Pretty nice deep carry pocket clip. Nifty little flipper. Ooh, failed on the first shot. Ooh, failed on the second. There we go. Yeah, okay. So we got a liner lock. Lockup's about 30% or so. Some good access to it. Obviously we'll need a little breaking in, but yeah, there we go. Yeah, flipping a little bit better. I'm just me, not the knife. But yeah, not super drop shotty, but that'll probably change after a little bit of a breaking in. Got a kind of a real mellow Tanto. All right, quick measurements. And about 6 3/4 inches. Blade about 2.5 inches. Yeah, it's a small guy, that's for sure. But nice that they finally did a Tanto. If you've got big hands, this probably won't be the knife for you. The jimping up here is okay. Not super aggressive or anything like that, but you can definitely feel it. So if you want to get your fingers up there, you got some decent traction. And the G10 is nice and grippy. But like I said, in a medium, slim medium hand, that's what you're kind of looking at. I'm not big on small knives, but yeah, it feels alright in the hand for what you're getting. This is obviously probably made by We, because that's pretty much who makes their stuff, or Civivi, however you want to look at it. But a pretty mellow Tanto. If you're not big into aggressive Tantos, then this is for you. We've got D2 steel, and for right at $80, I do believe. So it's right there with the whole Civivi aspect, and definitely feels pretty good in the hand. I think it'll be a little more drop shotty as it breaks in, but yeah, it's not too bad. About time that Ferrum Forge did a Tanto, even if it is a little on the mellow side, more Japanese style, but it definitely seems like it's got a nice blade on it. Simple, but not too bad. Nice. So there you guys go. That's the brand new Zelex, or Zelex, however you want to pronounce it, by Ferrum Forge. Alright guys, we will catch you next time. Have a great day.